we send us blessing on our birds and on everything we put our hands to. May God send rain on our land in season and bless us all the work of our hands. May God bless the young of our livestock, the calves of our herds, and the land of our livestock. May the Lord make us the head, not the tail. The Lord make us His holy people, as He promised us on oath. Help us, Lord, to be established on your word, not to turn aside from any one of your commands you gave us today, not to the right nor to the left, but rooted on your word. And as I lift up my hand, may the unseen hands of the mighty God will lay down upon His people. May